Weber Park. This park is located in a neighborhood on the west side of Marshfield, close to homes, schools, and other bike and walking trails. It is used by all ages in our community. This project demonstrates how when an individual has an idea about how they might help our community's quality of life, they can see their vision come to life with the help of others in our community. The city, the Department of Park and Recreations, the DNR, and the Community Foundation came together to make this park a reality.